So in this kayak tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to book adult-only hotels here on kayak.com. So once kayak.com is opened up, I want you to go ahead here and make sure that stays is selected. Type in your location, type in your dates, and if all looks good. So for this example, I will use Los Angeles, California. Go ahead and press on search. Once you're here on the search page here, I want you to go to the top to where it says all filters, and then I want you to go all the way to where it says amenities right here. So for example, if you're looking for adults only hotels, simply just go ahead here and press on amenities right here. Once you're here under the amenities page, go ahead and press on adult only, make sure that is selected, then go ahead and press on apply. And once you're here, you can go ahead and view a bunch of different hotels that are being offered that are considered adult only. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book adults only hotels here on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.